Hey, this is Sautul Mehta and welcome to my YouTube channel Code2Cash.in. In this video, we'll have a look at how we can configure the configuration attributes in Salesforce CPQ. So here is a sample we are having a product car that is configurable. So here if we see, we will be able to configure the car color that we can select either white, either black or silver. So this is the configuration attribute we are having, and now let's have a look how we can configure this configuration attribute. So let's go to the product we are having. This is the car product that we are having. Let's go to this product car, and on this product, if we see, we are having the related list quick links, and under that we are having this link that is configuration attributes, right? There we've added this new configuration attribute that is car color. But before adding this particular field, we need to make other configurations also. So let's go to those configurations. So we can go to the product option object, and under this product option object, we need to add a new field, the configuration attribute field that we want to have on the configurator page. So in our case, it is car color. So here is the new field that is being added, that is car color, right? And if we see, we are having these pick list values white, black and silver. We need to have the exact replica of this particular field on the quote line object. So here if we see on the quote line object, we have the exact replica of the field that we added on the product option with the same API name. And the third thing that we need to do is to add this particular API name in the pick list value of the target field on configuration attribute object. So we are having this object that is configuration attribute. Under that object we have this field that is target field, and on this field we need to add the API name of the new field that we've added on the product option or the quote line, right? So this is the pick list value we are having, that is ctd underscore car underscore color underscore C. And once we do these configurations, then we can go to the product, and here on the configuration attributes we can click on new, and there we can select the configuration attribute if this is the intermediate page that you are seeing. And after that we'll be able to select the target field, that is the new pick list value that we've added, that is ctd underscore car underscore color underscore C. So if you complete these configurations, then you will be able to see this particular configuration attribute on your configurator page, and by clicking on save, you will be able to save that value on the quote line object also. Okay, so this is how we can configure the configuration attributes in Salesforce CPQ. Thank you.